Hello everyone. The course name is Banking Regulation and Operations. The unit is Negotiable Instruments, and the topic that I'll be covering is the endorsement, the meaning of endorsement. Okay. So coming to endorsement, the meaning of that, the word endorsement means writing on the back of an instrument, typically a negotiable instrument. According to the Negotiable Instrument Act, endorsement means the writing of one's name on the back of the instrument or any paper attached to it with the intention of transferring the rights therein. So this is how no, we normally endorse a negotiable instrument. So suppose if this is a check, okay, and you have something called the front of the check and the back of the check. So endorsement is normally done at the back of the check, but there is no rules or regulation which says that endorsement can be done only at the back of an instrument. You can even do endorsement in front, in the face of the instrument. So when you are endorsing, here in this example, I've given the back of the check where no, the person, the drawer of the instrument has endorsed it behind the instrument. Okay, so endorsement is done by way of signing behind the instrument. Okay, you can even sign on the face of the instrument and endorse it. And it need not be that like only drawer can endorse it. Sometimes if the payee who might be carrying the check or the negotiable instrument for no getting the payment against that, even that person can also endorse. And endorsement gives a legal validity and make sure okay, and it's a valid proof to make sure that the person has drawn the payment against that particular instrument. So this is what is the purpose of endorsement. And sometimes endorsement can also be done on a separate piece of paper which is attached to with this instrument. So this is how endorsement normally happens. So endorsement in simple terms is nothing but a process of signing on a particular instrument either in its face or in its backside or in a separate piece of paper which is attached to that particular instrument for the purpose of enhancing the validity or legal no, sanctity of that particular negotiable instrument. So this is what the endorsement process is, or the meaning of endorsement as such is. Thank you.